Hi there, it's Daniel from S.A.S doing a tool talk review on the Monument Tools semi-automatic pipe slice. Quite a good little pipe slice, got a nice big wheel, handy thing, cuts up to 22mm copper. I'll show you on a bit of 15, nice and easy. In it goes, wheel up, pretty good. Tighten a bit more. And once more, there we have it. Nice clear cut, no burring, nice and rounded off, perfect to get straight into a fit in. Nice yellow colour, helps finding the van, and like I said, this wheel nice and easy, nice and smooth turning, and fits nicely in the hand when you cut it in. It's yeah, good bit of kit. Thanks Tool Talk.